Hello friends, today's topic, yesterday crash, today recovery, 3 points to watch. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Yesterday, Nifty and Sensex were down around 1.4% each. In fact, the mid cap and small cap indices were down by more than 3%. Nifty rallied to a new highs in the first half of yesterday, then fell in the last 2 hours of trading. Today morning also Nifty fell to a low of 20,977 before a good recovery. It closed around 100 points higher at 21,255. So yesterday and today were contrasting day of trading. Yesterday Nifty opening up and then closing down. Today Nifty opening down, closing up. With the overall market rally continuing for almost 2 months without any meaningful correction, yesterday's market fall must have created fear in the minds of short-term investors. Following are some of the factors that we need to watch out for the next few days. Number one, rising COVID cases. For a long time, COVID cases have started to rise in Kerala. It has also started to spread to Karnataka. Although there is no major cause for concern as of now, if it spread further and government starts advising some restrictions, then many retail businesses will suffer since people will postpone unnecessary purchases in physical stores. So we need to watch out for COVID cases. It has been many years since COVID impacted stock markets. In 2020 and 21, the COVID cases had a negative impact on Indian market in some periods. The second factor to watch is year-end selling by FIIs. The time around Christmas and New Year are usually holidays in large number of foreign countries. Even fund managers of FIIs have to take a break to spend time with their families. Hence, usually they reduce their positions in stock markets. So, depending on any heavy selling by FIIs, markets will move in the next 1 to 2 weeks. Here is an announcement. Today we have made a video regarding a 28-year-old youth, a doctor, and I wish that you all look at the video. And then we are conducting a free webinar regarding the same topics on secrets of stock market and how to make money, etc. on Sunday 24 December, Christmas holidays. Cost of the webinar is 499. It is free for the first 75 participants. The seats are limited to the first 150. All of you know when Dr. Bharath Chandra's workshop takes place, there is a huge crowd and hence the first 150 people on first come first service will be taken up and rest of the people may be disappointed. And hence we suggest you take up this matter a little seriously. What is being taught in this webinar? Large number of people are unaware about the profits that accrue from stock markets in long term and short term. Normally people think it's a question of loss only in stock market. However, we are going to give you a very good idea by the tabular column and also giving you statistics about the profits that has been accrued in the stock market over the last few years, and you can also understand what could be the profits for the next few years coming up. Now basic fundamental analysis, if you learn, you can make a lot of money and not in lakhs, probably in crores, investing for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years. Now you may be wondering, where is that length of time that is available to you? If you are 25, 30, 35, 40, you have that kind of time to wait to create a huge corpus, and also by using only a small amount of money in SCP. The money that you invest in the stock market could be as low as 3 to 5 or 10 or even 12,000 rupees, and by which you can amass crores and crores of money. What I am trying to tell you is a reality, so don't miss it. Now basic fundamental analysis, if you master in our 3 months course and then you get an inkling about it in the introductory session, then you can earn few thousands extra every month to improve your lifestyle. Maybe this month you will buy a new mobile, next month you are going to spend some time for the picnic and also money. And in the third month, maybe you will buy clothes for the whole family. How to register for the webinar is very simple. People take it very lightly. That is why we are not giving the link directly. You've got to send an email to successdigest@gmail.com with a subject Kannada webinar and name and mobile number. And one more interesting thing to watch. If you take this webinar seriously, you start planning your finances, probably a long time from now, you will be very happy. Short term from now, you'll be very happy because you're going to get few thousands extra every month. Now, coming back to the matter of the video. The third point is low volume by DIIs and retail investors. Usually towards the year end, in DIIs and retail investors also invest with lower volumes than normal. So depending on how much DIIs and FIIs invest, markets will move in the next few weeks. As of now, the uptrend is intact. With yesterday's fall, the valuation becomes slightly lower compared to high valuations a few days back. However, valuations are still high, especially for mid-cap and small-cap stocks. Hence, there is an equal chance of going up or down. The above factors will play an important role for the next 1 week's market movement. Watch out for them. If you have invested money for short term, you must be alert to book profit if technical analysis instructs you to. At the end of the video, here is a question. Are you holding some lump sum amount and waiting for the correction to invest? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.